In this tutorial, we will look at strategies we can use to multiply by 4. We'll start with the strategy of skip counting by 4s. When skip counting by 4, it's sometimes useful to have a picture so you can count your objects. If I have one group of 4, that would be 4 bows, then 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and so on. One pattern you should notice when counting by 4s is the ones digit will always be even. So we have 4, 8, 2, 6, 0, 4, 8, and it will continue 2, 6, 0. So your ones digit will always be even. Another strategy is called 2 groups plus 2 groups. For example, if I wanted to find the answer of 4 times 3, I could take 2 groups of 3, which is 6, and add it to another 2 groups of 3, which again is 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12, so 4 times 3 is 12. Here's another way to look at that strategy. Again, since I'm taking 4 times 3, I'm going to take 2 groups of 3, which is 6, add that to another 2 groups of 3, which is another 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. To find 4 times 7, I'll take 2 groups of 7, which would be 14, add that to another 2 groups of 7, or another 14. 14 plus 14 is 28, so 4 times 7 is 28. Here's the same strategy, just in a different format. To find 4 times 8, I'll first take 2 times 8, which is 16, and then another 2 times 8, which is 16. 16 plus 16 would be 32, so 4 times 8 is 32. To find 4 times 6, I'll take 2 groups of 6, which is 12, add that to another 2 groups of 6, so another 12. 12 plus 12 is 24, so 4 times 6 is 24. To find 4 times 9, I'll take 2 groups of 9, which is 18, add that to another 2 groups of 9 for another 18. 18 plus 18 is 36, so 4 times 9 is 36. We can also call that strategy double and double again. For example, to find 4 times 5, I would take 2 times 5, so I'm doubling my 5, and then I would double that number again for 20. To find 4 times 8, I would double 8, which is 16, and double it again for 32. To find 4 times 6, I will double my 6 for 12, and double it again for 24. 4 times 6 is 24. Another strategy for 4s is to take 3 sets of the number and then add one more set. For example, if I wanted to find 4 times 5, I could take 3 times 5, which is 15, and add on another 5 for 20. So it's 3 times the number plus one more set of that number. So to find 4 times 9, I would first take 3 times 9, which is 27, and add on to that another 9 for 36. 4 times 9 is 36. Here I need to find 4 times 3. I'll start by taking 3 times 3, which is 9, and I'll add on another set of 3. 9 plus 3 is 12, so 4 times 3 is 12. To find 4 times 4, I'll start by taking 3 times 4, which is 12. I'll add on another set of 4. 12 plus 4 is 16, so 4 times 4 is 16. I can also look for patterns of 4s on the times table. I'll start by circling every 4th number on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on until I get to the end of my table. So the first number I circled was 4. The second number I circled was 8. The third number is 12. The fourth number was 16. The fifth number was 20, and so on. And these are all different ways we can practice multiplying by 4.